guys?
Alright, what's up, bro? Psycho cousins. Psycho kids, yeah.
So we back.
After 10 months, almost 11 months of not uploading, you know, on the gang.
Involved
With that rice gum uploading schedule, you know? Yeah. And today we do something that we don't do, you know? We're gonna talk about life, kind of.
A mukbang.
Mukbang. We got some Korean fire noodle packets and some cup noodle because we broke as hell and we can't afford the real shit. So, you know, OP.
Yeah, broke
See,
life.
we got two
Homeless
packets.
life, you know?
It's not healthy. Oh yeah, we also dumpster dive, you know? You see this? You see this? We didn't steal. I promise. I promise. You see this? You see this? This is getting thick, bro. Oh shit, it's on the food.
Dude! That's hell nasty.
Yo, already.
That's hell nasty.
Alright, bet. Okay, you do you do one side, I'll do this one.
That's hell nasty,
You ready? You ready?
Hell
Go
no.
Okay.
The
Okay,
water
open.
spilled this everywhere,
Alright,
bro.
ready? Oh, it's black. Easy, it's black.
Oh shit!
Dude, come on. Bro, it's black, bro.
I'm
Hey, put it
crazy.
high up so you can see the drip.
Crazy with it,
See the
bro.
black
I'm
drip, bro. Psycho crazy.
Dude, my hand looks hella nasty now. Dude, I need to go wash my hands.
I'm not even gonna lick it yet, bro. That's dangerous.
Bro, it looks hella little. Are you kidding me? You crazy?
No, we mix it around. It's gonna become red, bro. You know damn right, bro.
I don't know. It looks hella nasty, bro.
It's gonna be hella spicy. Okay, our challenge is to finish this, you know. Ooh, smell it.
Bro.
Ooh, dude, smell it.
Dude, I'm washing my hands.
You can just put it there, bro.
That's an alien.
You wanna grab napkins or some shit?
Bro, my hand is like stained.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Look at this. Look at this. It's not healthy, bro. I don't know. That's edible, bro.
Bro, my hand is stained now. Bro, my hand is stained. You crazy? You can stop mixing it, bro.
Oh, yeah. I'm still mixing it. So I gotta not use this finger. Oh, you see this? You see this pro chopstick skills?
Oh, shit.
This is pro chopsticks, bro. Take notes. You put the middle finger in between the index and the ring. Wait.
That's how I use mine.
Wait.
That's how I use my chopstick.
Actually, don't listen to me. I'm really bad at giving instructions, so.
Oh, shit.
Alright, bro. You gotta help me out here, bro. I don't know how to make shit.
It's fine. You done great, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Look at that! Dude,
Go crazy a little bit.
you put raw egg in here, dude. Jane, you trying to put a raw egg in here? The spiciness. Okay.
Okay, guys, we just mixed it now. So, I can use spice though.
Alright.
I'm okay with it.
Okay, so you wanna tell them? Oh shit, that's not good.
Tell them what?
Well,
Tell them what?
we were skateboarding. What happened? We went to that apartment. What happened, bro?
Oh yeah, like a crazy lady just fucking yelled at us, bro. Like,
We were skating and they're just
shit.
yelling, bro.
hella nasty, yo.
She had the police family. She's coming for us, bro.
Bro, I was about to fight her, bro. That's on me.
Bro, he said he was about to drop her. She said one more thing, bro. That's crazy, bro.
I swear.
Alright.
Are you ready? That's hella nasty, bro. I'm gonna get hit.
You already know, bro. Dude, I can't get this.
Dude, let's eat it, bro.
I'm gonna have the honey bite. Whoa.
Something spicy.
You'll start feeling it soon.
Alright, I'll put
Okay, it's spicy now. I taste it. Bro, that's only one bar. Are you kidding me? My lips are already red, bro. Look, I'm Kylie Jenner. Bro, that's disgusting.
Take another bite, you fag.
Oh my god. Are we gonna do this like no water, no drinks? Like we have if we're about to die, can we? Alright. My lungs. Why can't I take another bite, bro?
My two phones.
Oh, my hands, bro. Just wiping my mouth. Okay, you can't. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like orange, bro. How does this taste, man? Rate to 1 to 10. Bro, I'm about fucking pussy, bro. I'm already crying and shit.
The
Holy
taste?
crap, my eyes are like watering.
The taste? Like, I'm gonna be with those Korean people.
Be like those Korean people, bro. I have a seizure there, bro.
Oh, eat.
Oh man, Carry on Johnson.
But what are you doing?
Carry on Johnson. Please help deliver this, bro. Can you get high off of spice, bro? Like my brain is not right now, bro. I'm not thinking properly. I can't talk for shit. I'm sorry about this mukbang quality. We don't have a mic. We're sitting behind a refrigerator, you know, with some expired ass food. It's hella bomb, you know. I'm gonna go eat some later.
We're homeless.
And the spicy packets we actually got shipped from Korea, you know. No.
Bro, I'm dying now.
Whoa. I feel so trash. I can't eat this. Bro, the redder my lips are, the whiter my teeth look, so. Toothpaste companies, hire me as your advertiser. Look at this.
I'm trying to work at the dispensary.
You got napkins or something? Hold up, I'm gonna grab some napkins.
Oh yeah, bro.
Hi, Chico. Hi, Chico.
I'm dying, guys.
You just dip.
Where's my dog at?
What the? OP.
Bro, her reply is so ass.
Alright, what do you want to do now? You want to tell some stories? You got any stories you want to tell?
I might, fuck,
It's not healthy.
the 6th grader going to the 7th tomorrow. I don't know. Might catch some STD, but I don't know yet, bro. I'm gonna bring a condom with me. No, bro. Stop that.
Hey, already. Hey, one more bite before you can do that. Come on, let's finish at least half of this joint before. You guys can't even see that. I'm gonna pick it up.
No, bro.
Oh shit, hold up. This is the same guy. Look at this. Oh shit. Side to side comparison. Look at this. What is this? Bangathelioma. To this. Curly boy. Oh shit.
I look better. Bro, milks help a lot.
You look crackhead? Are you crackhead?
I'm trying to smoke some weed, bro.
Are you crackhead?
I think I'm like...
Look, I see the magic. Why is there no, it's not matching. What happened? I swear it was matching earlier.
Oh, it's all bad. I'll be back, guys.
Hey, don't make fun of me for not knowing how to use it, but I want to try it out. Oh, that's lit. No. Carry on Johnson. Curry on Johnson. Oh my goodness, what's happening, man? Tyler O'Neal. Oh my goodness. Alright, so like this is gonna be our last video forever. Unless this video drops 1 million likes, you know, and maybe a couple million views.
He's capping. He's a cat, bro. Excuse me.
Oh, my throat like just cooled down. It's now I'm like reigniting. Curry on Johnson. Curry on Johnson. Senpai. I think I have to beat my meat right now, bro.
Okay. Yo, chill out.
Sigh, I'm just playing. This is really
It's just
bland.
my lips, bro. It's just my lips now.
My lips are red. Where's my napkin at? I think we're handling this better than like most kids would. Like, kids can't eat spicy. Like most kids our age, they can't eat spicy for shit.
Take one bite of that.
Come on.
Boy, what are you?
Big bite, big bite.
Are you crazy?
Big bite. Come on, let's finish this joint. Do you already drink milk? Alright. You trying to go that big?
Look
bro.
at my
Chill out.
chopstick, bro. It's hella nasty. Look at my.
Come on, fucking big granddaddy big. Alright, let's go.
Take a bite. I'm gonna take mine. Hold up. I gotta fix my chopstick.
I'm not trying to piss you, bro. That shit was connected. Wait, what movie was that? Like, that movie where like the dogs are like sucking spaghetti and then they like kiss? Like, oh my god, my nose. Yum, that's so good.
It's good, but it's spicy, huh?
I'm trying. Let's like, I'm gonna try to finish this without drinking anything, you know. Rest in peace, toilet career. Like you did well, bro. Bro, I'm about to vandalize your toilet. It's gonna be graffiti, bro. Check out graffiti on your toilet. It's gonna be different colors,
We
bro.
might vlog tomorrow, guys, so
What?
we might vlog tomorrow. You never know.
He said that. I never said that.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. It's actually hella hard being a cameraman, bro. Like,
Yeah.
hashtag cameraman lives matter.
Yeah. Who texted
Bro,
me?
come on.
Eat noodle fry. Hella nasty.
My lips are yum. This video can be turned into like a moaning compilation. This is disgusting.
I know, right?
Pornhub title: 2 mental kids finger the shit out of some fucking spicy ass noodles.
I be beating my meat to porn every day, guys.
I'm trying to limit, you know, the amount I watch because I don't think it's healthy, you know. Hey, I heard on some website or some shit, like, you beat your meat too much, your dick can shrink. I think it's true, bro, like...
Your dick shrink? Your dick shrink?
Nah, that's why I'm trying to limit the fucking...
My dick's like 6 right now.
Sometimes you're trying to, like, just watch it, and you don't actually do anything. Like, you don't go
I beat
off
my
on
meat
it.
every time. Every time. I go crazy.
Ladies, if this is disturbing you, you can click off the channel. And click off the video now because talking about some guy shit, you know. But hey, thanks for giving us the views for clicking on this video. No,
Yeah.
why does my voice sound deeper? Sound like your dog. How's that taste, huh? Tastes hella good. He's a pussy. Look, he drank milk already. Look,
Oh, I have to.
I'm not a pussy. I'm not crying.
I'm not crying.
I'm not crying. You are.
I'll burn this house down. You gonna play
I'm
with
crying.
me? You gonna play with me?
Hey! This kid's not good. Dude, fire alarm sound.
Shit.
Bro, what the fuck? Don't get that shit on the food. Dude. This smells like ass.
Psycho pigs. I'm like high off of this, okay? Oh god. Should I do it already?
We haven't uploaded in so long, we
So
probably lost
bad.
like all our fans. Even though we had like none. So
Nah, we got like 1K each video. That's been good for kids.
look, there's kids out there playing with fucking Minecraft. They'd be earning like fucking racks on racks.
Let's do that then.
Alright, bad, bro. New channel, you know, make a new channel, bro. Block Destroyer 69 or some shit. Look, watch, I'm making a Minecraft channel.
He actually played Minecraft, guys. So.
Yeah, bro, you know, hop on with what's my server ID, like DM me, you know. Oh, microwave bread.
Someone's calling me. Annie's calling me. Hello?
Hey, what's good, guys?
Hello. Dude, look, I'm gonna eat the pepper, bro. You're actually eating without water into it. That's crazy.
Bro, for all those people calling us pussies, bro, like, eat this, alright? Make 2 cup noodles, alright? Dump 2 packs of this joint. Look. This. Not the plastic wrap. This. I know. Okay? And then you can say, okay? You can say stuff. Hey, Koreans are not allowed. If you're Korean, bro, you can't do this challenge. That's not fair.
not
You
fair,
can't make
bro.
fun of us for that, bro. You're good at eating spice. That's not fair.
I'm African, bro.
I'm actually Jamaican.
Sorry. We actually ate it all.
Alright, you want to say anything? This might be our last video. You know, like 60-70% chance our last video. Want to say anything to your fans? This is not good. It's not healthy, guys. Don't do that. This is not healthy. Alright. I'm like, drink potion.
This is
Oh, fuck, I
nasty.
missed.
Whoa, this is nasty pod. I'm gonna throw this pod away. But guys, might make a vlog tomorrow. You never know. I don't know.
Alright, anything you want to say? This could be our last video. Why can't I? There you go.
Just want to say,
Thank you for watching us and supporting us.
yeah, might commit suicide later on life. So, you know.
Even though, like, we have some diehard friend fans that aren't really fans, you know, like, they don't count. They just here because we told them to. They watch our videos a couple of times, you know, so, like, I don't know how many fans we actually have, so.
We got like 1K.
But
like 1K.
Thanks to all the people that are not our friends and people we actually know for supporting us, for staying with us, even though we make some cringy ass content, you know.
Yeah.
And this is probably gonna be the end of Psycho Kids, you know.
Yeah.
Say thank you.
No. Bye, guys.
Say thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, 50 mil. We hit.
Dude, 50 mil.
We're gonna be.
We,
50 mil. We post another video.
Share,
you know?
share,
We're
like.
back on the
it's all.
grind. 50 mil. Maybe we're like 40 or something by then. Alright, see ya.
Please share, bro.